Hello, friends, and welcome. I'm Sarah Liz. I'm excited you're here. I have a new exclusive kit for you to download. It's part of the Use Your Stash Summit. This is a new summit for me, but you know I'm all about it. I love helping you to get crafty, use supplies you already have, and then stretch those supplies with custom sentiments and digital papers and ephemera and all the fun things. And so that's what I have for you today. And at this summit, we're going to make two cards. We're going to make a fun fold and we're going to make a pop-up. This is a new pop-up design for me. I am only releasing it through the summit and I'm so excited. Like, I got done making everything and I can't even tell you. So the summit is January 29th through January 31st. The free ticket is linked at the top of the description box below. If you haven't done a summit before, you just click the link and grab your free ticket. Then when the summit begins, you'll get an email inviting you to that day's tutorials. There will be classes from tons of amazing card makers. Lauren Taylor, my crafty bestie, will be in this summit too. And then a lot of us have freebies for you. My class is on the second day. So on the second day, which is Friday, you're going to click on the link in your email, log in, go to my class, and right below the video, you'll find a link to download the free kit. I have custom sentiments and sentiment sizes. I have a full color-coded set of instructions for both the fun fold and the pop-up. And I have so many really great fun things in this kit to share with you. It should be able to mix and match with a lot of what you already have that is perfect for celebrations, thank yous, and so much more. All right, I want to give you a little sneak peek of the cards we're going to make. We have a fun fold here on the left. The border on the bottom, the pattern paper, the sentiment, all of those are custom from the freebie. And then this one's the pop-up. And you can use that pop-up with your standard emergency card rectangle sentiments. It'll work beautifully there, but you could also put a focal image on the inside. There are so many great ways to use it. Let's take a look at the kit. So we're going to make two cards in this kit, and both cards have this really great instruction sheet with a picture of the card itself, and then all the measurements and everything that you need. Then I have a third page giving you layouts for 4 different cards that you can make using this kit, and you can use either of the techniques that we're going to learn today. Then we get to the fun stuff. These are the panels that go on the fronts of these cards. We actually have a couple different colorways, a couple different font options here, and little tick marks to help you cut them out. So these are 3 inches by 5.5 inches. Happiest birthday wishes. Thank you so much and congratulations. Then we have 2 3/8 inch squares. These go on the inside of your card. Don't worry, you don't need to cut 1/8 of inches. You're just going to use the tick marks and it will do all the math for you. So if you used happy birthday, this is the page you want for your inside sentiments. You look good for someone born in the 1900s. Too old for TikTok, too young for Life Alert. I was under the impression that getting old would take longer. You are absolutely amazing. Sending all our love on your special day. I heard there'd be cake. Okay, so we have that one just for happy birthday. Those are the cards I need the most. Then this top row is giving us thank you sentiments for the inside. I couldn't ask for a better friend. That was a pretty awesome thing you did. I am eternally grateful for your kindness. And then this bottom row goes with congratulations. I'm so very proud of you. I don't always whoop, but when I do, there it is. You are all that and a bag of chips. I don't know why it makes me laugh so much, but it does. Okay, so we have, again, tick marks to help us cut those out. And then we have 3 pages that have the same sentiments, but we've got a different color palette, so it'll look great with a variety of our pattern papers. And there's the third one. And then, of course, I wanted to do one all in black, so if you printed this with a laser printer, they would be great for foiling. We've got this big, chunky font. I love this one maybe the most. So happy birthday. Thank you so very much. Congratulations. And then 2 pages of the same sub-sentiments. And I love that mix of the chunky, goofy font with the scripty font. Then I have a bunch of pattern papers for you. Don't forget, this page is going to help you figure out how to mix and match the different papers with some of the ephemera pieces that are coming or with the sentiments and the color palettes. I love this beautiful sort of organic floral, and we've got that navy background that I love so much. They're about 7.5 inches by 7.5 inches. The coloring of this one is a little more orange and yellow, and I love it. The flowers are just beautiful on here. But I always love like a hand-drawn doodly style. So we have this lovely background. I love that this one's white in the background, and so it's gonna make the most of the ink that you're using. Then we have a thin black and white stripe. This is gonna be one of my most used papers, I can tell you right now. And then we've got hand-drawn stripes in a sort of checkered pattern. So this one is navy blue, but maybe a slightly lighter navy than I sometimes reach for. So this one's on white, and then this one's on a light blue. Then we have that same pattern with a dark peach on white and a dark peach on light peach. Then we have 3 pages of ephemera pieces, and they're organized by color palette. This one has this beautiful watercolor floral. The top elements you can cut out with your 1 3/4 inch circle punch if you're used to using my emergency card kits. And then this one, we have it 2 ways, but here I wanted you to be able to easily run this through a scan and cut, right? If you have the freebie, you get a PDF file with all 24 pages, the instructions, everything, right? And then if you have that VIP ticket, you also get all of these pages as resizable image files with a transparent background. And so sometimes I have a black border around them, but then on this next page, I have elements where in the PDF freebie version, you aren't gonna see it. But if you're downloading that VIP and you go to this page, you'll notice these 2 elements have a white border around the outside. It kind of looks like a sticker. Makes it super easy for you to pull into your Cricut or your scan and cut and do a print and cut feature that will cut it out really, really cleanly. These florals cut out nicely with just a scan and cut. And then we have one more page. Here we have a variety of present borders. They look the same in this PDF, but they're not. Some of them have that white border around them and some don't, and they are slightly different sizes, okay? Some of them are gonna stretch beyond the limits of your A2 card, so you trim off the excess, and others will fit entirely on the card. So that's up to you, kind of whatever you prefer. Again, if you have that VIP ticket, all of these are resizable image files, so you can make them any size that you want. All right, friends, be sure to grab your free ticket from the description box below. You don't want to miss out on this free kit. All of it, the whole thing is completely free with no membership. And that pop-up, you guys, don't miss out on that one either. Thank you all so much for spending your time with me, and I will see you next time.